Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out special offers, deals and promotions on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the More button down below and then click on Promotions, which is the second button. Here you can select from three options. First of all, tap on the first option and you can select your departure point and then destination as well. And here you will be able to find the available offers. So tap on the relevant one that you find interesting. Here you can see the outbound period, book by, also the here you can see two available options. So here you can see the travel dates, fare conditions, and if you would like to book it, tap on the Book Now button. Then you should select the date on the calendar, the departure and return date, select the number of passengers and click on the next button below. And then you will be able to set the or select from these options. As you can see, it has been selected. Select the return flight and then you can proceed to check out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.